husband and wife.
Yeah, when you love someone you love, when shit is popping, no hesitating, and no time to play games. Don't you know that in the end, yeah, we ride or die. Not yours, you got mine.
The authorities are coming for me, they're on to me, I'm lucky to be alive. Bonnie drive, speed climbing near 103. I'll cover you, you cover me, the shotgun's under the sea. She ain't bluffing, get to ducking, son, this gal is tougher than me. Now we bucking at police, they ain't catching us, we're treacherous. The press is documenting the adventures of demented love. You don't wanna tussle with this couple cause we're venomous. There's two of us, but when together strong like there was 10 of us.
We're both wild at heart, our love can be contained. On the coldest nights, I'm warm in your embrace. It ain't the first car chase or last bullet we dodge. You know we ain't afraid, we overcome all.
And now we're sweating, hopping fences, not to mention lots of tension. Not a drop of apprehension and no fear of consequences. We escaped that penitentiary intentionally, vengefully, erasing every enemy without a trace of empathy. Eventually be free once we get to the safe house. Let's hide behind this tree for now, keep your face down. Baby, put your faith in me.
You know I got my trust in you.
All roadblocks we bustin' through, this love is indestructible.
We're both wild at heart, our love can be contained. On the coldest nights, I'm warm in your embrace. It ain't the first car chase or last bullet we dodge. You know we ain't afraid, we overcome all.
Yeah, it's that Bonnie Hyde shit, that ride or die shit, that have each other's back until the end of time shit. It's that Bonnie Hyde shit, that ride or die shit, that have each other's back until the end of time shit. Yeah, it's that Bonnie Hyde shit, that ride or die shit, that have each other's back until the end of time shit. It's that Bonnie Hyde shit, that ride or die shit, that have each other's back until the end of time shit.